What's up guys, Parallaxox here, and today I'm going to show you how anchoring a part works and how you can script it into your games. So first you put a part in their workspace, and so if we were to just move it up here and we were to run a game, obviously it would fall because anchored is not on. See, as you can tell, the part falls because its anchoring is false. So how to put will change it in the script. So first insert a script, get rid of the parent hello world. Then I'm gonna make a variable for the part, local part equals script.parent, which is the script that you're in right now. Is parent, which is the part. And I made a capital A. Okay, so the change, well, to make it anchored, part dot anchored, and it can either be a true or a false. True means it's anchored, which means it won't move no matter how much, and then false will make it so it falls. So if I do this, I'm going to have a wait function. It's going to be anchored at first and it's going to fall after 5 seconds. I'm just going to put a wait right here so you can see it. But actually I can't have it right there. Let's just hope it'll be anchored for 5 seconds, we'll be fine. So if we run this, it should do. As you can see, it's anchored, and in about 5 seconds, it'll unanchor and fall. And as you can see, it's falling because it went unanchored. So thanks for watching, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.